Hello guys, I hope you all are well. Welcome to the UNT channel and we are thankful that you are interested in viewing our playlist. Without taking much time, I want to tell that today in this video we are going to teach you one of the trending topic named as data science with a real life example. But before going further, kindly subscribe to UNT channel and don't forget to share this video. I'll start this lecture with a very realistic definition of data science, according to which data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured as well as from unstructured data. For explaining this definition, we are taking a small example. But before that, I want to tell you that this example is totally fictional. It does not have any connection with the brand names used in the video. We have tried to just relate our example with real world, for which we have taken such brand names. There is no such relation of this video with these brands and we don't want to disgrace anyone. So, here comes the example. Once there was a person named Rajat. He wanted to eat pizza, so he thought to order pizza, for which he started dialing the number of the pizza store, and the call to the pizza company has started ringing. Within some time, the call is getting connected with the pizza store. Pizza store attendant picked the call and said, "Hello sir, Domino's Pizza welcomes you. How may I help you?" Then Rajat started his order in which he wished to have double cheese burst pizza with extra cheese. Call attendant asks, "Sir, I want to verify your mobile number. So can you kindly repeat your mobile number once?" And as Mr. Rajat told the mobile number, call attendant entered that mobile number in his software and in seconds he got all the record of Mr. Rajat. So after seeing record, pizza person have given the suggestion to Mr. Rajat that he should not eat cheesy bus pizza, but instead of it, he should eat veggie pizza. But by listening this, Mr. Rajat angrily asked, "Why I can't eat cheesy bus pizza?" And then pizza person replied, "Sir, by seeing your medical history, we came to know that you have the cholesterol problem and that too with high values." Then Mr. Rajat replied, "Oh, but I am taking my medications regularly." Then again pizza person replied, "Sir, by seeing your pharmacy data, it shows that you have taken pack of 12 tablets and that are finished on the 11th of this month and today it is 23rd. So you haven't taken your medicine from last 11 days. By listening this, Mr. Rajat angrily replied that you should not be worried. I have taken the other pack from other pharmacy and this time I haven't taken any digital bill for it. At this, pizza person replied, "Sir, but by seeing your debit card and credit card swipe status, it shows that you haven't paid money on any pharmacy shop in last 2 months. Mr. Rajat busted up and says that he had taken medicines via cash. Pizza person again replied, "Sir, by seeing your bank account status, it's tell that in last 2 months you haven't withdrawn money from your bank account even." Mr. Rajat anger is getting increased and he replied that I have other sources of cash. At this, pizza person politely replied, "But by seeing your PAN card status, sir, it shows that you have only one source of income and they deposit your salary in your bank account. So you don't have any other source of income." Mr. Rajat's eyes got red. His anger reached to the seventh sky. His head is getting heated up and he got so much frustrated from this conversation that he replied, "I was just ordering a pizza and you have shown me my medical reports, my pharmacy bills, credit card, debit card bills, my salary accounts and even my income records too. I just don't want to live in this country and I'm leaving from here." And at this, pizza person replied very politely, "Dear sir, I am so sorry. You cannot leave the country as your passport is also expired." So, this was the story where we can see that by only one phone number that is linked with various records, different datas are being used together to find various insights. So, we can say that many interdisciplinary datas are extracted and are linked with one another through one mobile number, and they are used to find various insights. So in easy language, we can say in data science, we use various data sets and then apply various statistical functions on it to provide better insights, knowledge from that data. So now I think that you must be aware of data science and what it can do in the real world. In our next videos, we will be telling you that how we can implement such cases in real world. So those who like this video, kindly press the like button and share this video. Those who don't like this video, kindly comment your suggestions to us and we would surely try to reach up to your expectations. But don't forget to subscribe UNT channel. Thanks, stay safe and take care.